Hey everyone, what a crazy year this has been for all of us and this channel as well. I want to make this update video and talk about an overview of last year, what happened, because there is some crazy stuff that happened with this channel, as well as talk about the future of this channel, what is going to happen next. Well, actually, it's already 2021. What is going to happen this year? Before that, I actually want to mention that I did create an update video exactly a year ago about 2019 and made some predictions about 2020. Please don't watch that video. It's really cringy. I just watched it. It's I can't even say one sentence right. So it's actually quite fun to see how far I came in terms of all the equipment and filming and just being comfortable in front of the camera. But in that video I kind of made this prediction, or not a prediction, but a goal that 4 videos during 2020 would be a major milestone for me, and I actually made more than that. So looking back, it's quite nice, and I think I want to keep this tradition going, and this is why I'm making this update video, so that next year in 2022 I can review and see, have I reached my goals? Was I accountable for anything? So let's begin with an overview of 2020. But before that, I wanna say thank you to everyone who subscribed last year. This channel wouldn't grow without subscribers. And actually, I'm looking at this right now. In 2020, we had 487 new people joining this channel, compared to, I think I had around like 200 subscribers when 2020 started. So this is just beyond what I could have expected. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I knew that I want to make videos, and I thought about making just like 5 or 6. I ended up making a lot more, and a lot more people joined this channel. That kind of gives me confidence that you believe that my content is good, and then I believe that I can improve more on that. So it's kind of a vicious circle here. Either way, it blows my mind that so many people just click the subscribe button and join this channel. Some other statistics, we actually crossed 100,000 views in 2020. Again, a major milestone for this channel. It's crazy to think that, well, so many people actually watched my videos, like in total. It's just, and then I'm also actually glad, I'm actually glad that I published more videos than I thought I did. I actually published 31 videos last year, which is, quite all right, to be honest. Kind of going back and forth, trying to find some time to film and edit, between work and stuff like that. I think it's quite a good number for a first full year of working on YouTube, kind of consistently, so to speak. I think it's awesome. But also, I don't want to forget any people that already joined in 2021 in just 10 days, because this is the 10th of January that I'm filming this video, where they have 42 new subscribers this year, which, if we take percentage wise, it's just crazy how like so many people joining. Wow, thank you again. Really, it's awesome, because if you click the subscribe button, then I feel more motivated to do more videos and to actually improve those videos as well. I just recently did a video about Skillshare, where I actually, like last year, I took 2 months of courses to improve these videos. Not sure if you see it, but I hope they're better and better each time I make them. Also, at the time of this recording, this channel currently has 752 subscribers. So we're really close at magical 1,000 subscriber mark. And I mean, it's been a long journey. Technically, I created my first video when I decided to actually create videos like in 2019. So it's been a hell of a journey. Just like a lot of time has passed since I first uploaded my first video, thinking that, hey, I want to do this YouTube thing. And now thinking that I'm probably only a couple months away from hitting 1,000 people joining this channel. It's awesome. It's really, really awesome. And hey, on that note, if you know a friend who would enjoy content like this, don't be shy. Just, pick one of my videos, send them a message, let's see if we can grow this a bit faster. I mean, everybody wants that. But thank you again, seriously. I'm probably going to say that too often, but I just want to get that across. But that's enough about the past. Let's talk about the future, what this year holds for this channel. And I think it's quite exciting. I think it's quite exciting. First of all, I want to make more videos. I'm committing this year to make 50 videos, which is basically a video every week. That is a lot. I am quite busy with other projects and clients and stuff like that, but I do believe if I need to reach for more. If I made 31 videos last year, this year, 50 videos is a goal. So I'm committing to that. Let's see next year if I can pass this mark. Another thing is that, of course, passing 1,000 subscribers is a very big mark, but also, this channel will be monetized. And with that, I will be even more motivated to make even more videos. So, it's probably not a goal because, I hope it's kind of eventual. Looking at analytics, it seems like, in 2 to 3 months, I should pass that goal. The real goal for this year would be, and that would be incredible, would be 10,000 subscribers. By the end of the year, 10,000 subscribers would be insanely a lot. The growth it's crazy. I don't think, I'm not sure if I can reach that, but what I can do is just try and make as good as content as I possibly can. And also, a lot of you have been asking more videos about investing. And oh boy, a lot more videos are coming. It just takes time to kind of learn about investing, to actually invest myself, and to kind of get familiar with all the platforms, all the words. And I'm interested in this, but I don't want to make a video before I know that area well or have tried it myself. That's why it's taking a bit longer than I would like, but I hope that makes for a better, more informative content overall. Personally, I've actually started to diversify my portfolio quite a lot. I've invested in real estate. I've started investing in index funds, a few actually different index funds. I signed up for eToro, a new investing platform. And I also went deeper and deeper into investing stocks on Revolut. So I do have a lot of results, ideas, lessons, mistakes to share with you. So a lot more finance content is definitely coming this year, as it will be almost 2 years since I started investing. So I'm quite excited to share everything that I know about it. And for the last time, thank you again for being here with me, watching my videos, supporting my videos, liking, commenting. It's been, the number of comments actually increased by a lot, and it seems like I'm getting a comment every few days. And I want to reply to everybody, so that has become sort of a daily routine. Either way, again, thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao.